it's almost time for me. That's why this. I'm losing light. I'm losing light, and I'm tripping. Maybe I need something to drink. Would it be too early to be drinking wine? Maybe I need to get some tea. Maybe it's too early. Because I'm just getting to know y'all and y'all just getting to know me. So maybe I shouldn't be drinking wine. I'm going to drink some tea. But I'm going to need for us to get acquainted real quick so I cannot be nervous. Hey y'all, I'm Nikki Nicole. Welcome to my channel, the Nikki Nicole Way. This past weekend, my books launched on Amazon. So my dude gave me a little surprise weekend, and this is how it went. So right now, I'm currently on a staycation. My dude has surprised me for the weekend. He told me 2 weeks ago, you know, take this weekend off, no extra working, no none of that. Like, you just gonna relax this weekend. He got a surprise for me.
Put your motherfucking hands in the air. Put every day of the week. I know you think you got it like that, but Pete, I be fucking hoes every day of the week.
Hey.
Last one.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I rock rough and stuff with my afro pump. Handcuffed as I bust out the tear shit up. Oh, wait, did you think?
No, you can't freak it. Freak if you want to. Down if you want to.
So I can get some phone, rolling in my ride, chilling all alone.
Just hit the east side of the LBT. On the mission trying to find is the warranty.
And it's going real swell. What's the next stop, y'all? The next stop is the east side. Okay. Come on, just throw your hands in.
What's my motherfucking name? What's my motherfucking name?
Everybody sing it with me one time. So what we get drunk, so what we smoke. See, we just having fun.
And it was amazing. He took me so we can celebrate my new beginnings. So while we were out on our staycation, I did announce on my social media that my journals and planners have launched on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below so you all can go and shop with me as well, and you'll find value in those books because they've helped me prepare to get all of my thoughts in my head down on paper and execute this stuff because we're about to make some stuff happen. But the only thing is I need to hold myself accountable. So that's why I want to start a YouTube channel to keep me on track, to which I think I have lost track. So let me see what I got going on here. So I believe I hit most of the points that I wrote down. This is my first video. Follow along my journey. Watch me grow to get better. But give your girl some grace, okay? Because I'm human just like y'all human. We're going to grow through things together. We going to have fun. It's going to be lit. Because I be having some stuff going on, okay? I don't know. Sometimes I overshare. If you like that, tell me, like, yeah, we the same. Because I overshare sometimes. Like, how I be making this money and racking it up. And spending it too. I'm all over the place, but I'm a work in progress. Join me next Sunday because I'm gonna post a video once a week. So in my next video, I'm gonna show exactly how I'm building my brand, budgeting for my goals, and creating my dream life. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video.